Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir,
We'll be
welcome, sir.
discussing matrices questions we are discussing. Unit number 1. Now let us start with the question number 1. Question is for what values of lambda for what values of lambda system of equations the system of equations. Here system of equations will be given, that is x plus y plus z is equal to 1 comma x plus 2y plus 4z is equals to lambda and x plus 4y. This is the doubt of one of your students, your classmates only. Problem which I am doing now is equals to lambda square will have solution. Will have solution and solve them completely. And how Syed Zaid is there in the class? I don't understand. If anybody disturb, I'll remove from the class. Be careful, okay? Will have solution and solve them completely. Okay, now see system of equation for what values of lambda. Our intention to find out the value of lambda here. System of equations will be there. Will have solution and solve them completely. Now your step number 1 will be we have to write down the equation. System of equation we have to write down given system of equations are x plus y plus. Okay, I want to reduce one step. We'll do it what? We should write the augmented form directly. You can write the given matrix in exam, but I don't want to waste the time. We should write the augmented matrix directly. The augmented matrix is, can you tell me what is that? Come on. The matrix A along with the matrix B. Now how it will be? You know the process? 1, 1, 1. The right hand side also we can include here. 1, 2, 4, and then lambda here. 1, 4, 10. Lambda square here. This, what I'm doing here, I am writing the semicolon which differentiate the matrix A and matrix B. After that, your next step is you have to identify the diagonal. This is your diagonal. So what we do, we should make the below diagonal element 0. Our intention is to make the below diagonal element 0. What are the possible operations? Can you tell me that? Very simple operation. R2 changes to R2 minus R1. R2 changes to R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. Similarly, R3 changes to R3 minus R1 only. Okay. Because this element and these two elements, we are going to make it 0. So once if you apply this operation, what happened to this matrix? You can see 1, 1, 1, and 1. See, this is 0 and this is 0. Now we apply this operation for each and every element. That is 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. It has becomes lambda minus 1. Be careful this one. Okay. And here 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. 10 minus 1 is 9. And it is lambda square minus 1. Yes, correct. Any doubt in this? Okay, no doubt. So now look at. After that, this lambda square minus 1 can be written as lambda square minus 1 square, and we can split by using the formula a plus b into a minus b, that is lambda plus 1 into lambda minus 1. Okay. But still, before moving to this one, I think we have to make it one more element 0. The diagonal elements are, these are the diagonal elements. This one more element is left over here. This one we have to make it 0. So let us, if you make it 0, what happened? See here. Matrix AB, that is augmented matrix, becomes first row no change, so as it is. Second row no change, as it is. Now I am applying the operation to make this element 0, that is R3 changes to R3 is 3 minus, if you multiply 3 with R2, this element R3 will become 0. And now apply here. 0 minus 3 into 0 is 0. This is also 0. And now look at here. 9 minus 3 into 3. That is also 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. And now this one R3 value is here. Lambda square minus 1. Okay. This is actually not required. This is actually not required. So no need to write that. Lambda square minus 1 is your R3 value minus 3 times of R2, means 3 times of R2 value is lambda minus 1. So then what happened? Lambda square minus 1 minus 3 lambda plus 3. So then what happened here? Lambda square minus 3 lambda and 3 minus 1 is 2. We can easily find out the factors of this now. Lambda square minus 3 lambda can be written as minus 2 lambda minus lambda plus 2. Now if you take lambda common, we get lambda minus 2. If you take minus 1 common, you will get lambda minus 2. It means lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 1 in, this is your rough work. This much is your rough work. If you want to include your problem, do it in a rough way. Yeah, who is roll number 10? Okay, I'll remove from the class.
No, sir, sorry, by mistake it got happened.
Please be careful. Okay, so what we do in here is right here. Little this side. 1. This is lambda minus 1. Yeah. Up to here, any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes. Now,
No,
case 1. Case 1 arises. Case 1. Case number 1. Okay. What happened if you take lambda is equal to 1? Look at that. If you take lambda is equal to 1, what happened to this augmented matrix AB? This is very, very, very important step. What happened when if you take lambda value is 1? 1, 1, 1, and 1. Correct? 0, 1, 3. If lambda value is 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. If lambda value is 1, this is also 0. Right now? This semicolon representing their difference. Now, decide rank of A. Semicolon, this side matrix is your matrix A. Can you tell me what is rank of A?
2.
2. Very good. Rank of A is equals to 2. Comma. What is rank of AB?
2.
Exactly.
2.
2. Now, number of unknowns. How many variables are there in this matrix? How many variables are there in this matrix? X, Y, Z only 3 now?
Yes.
Yes. So which condition is satisfied here? Rank of A is equal to rank of AB. Rank of A is equal to rank of AB, but it is less than N. Okay. So therefore, the system is
Consist.
the system is consistent. The system is consistent. And which type of solution it is? And
Infinite solution.
very good. It has infinite solution. It has infinite solution. But in our question, it is asking to find out the solution also. We can't stop here our process. You can see, we'll have solution and solve them completely. It means we have to find out the solution also. For the solution, what we do? We should convert this element into matrix again. What is the first matrix becomes, first equation becomes x plus y plus z is equal to 1. Correct? Next, you see, we don't have any x value, means x coefficient is 0. Y coefficient is available here. Z coefficient is 3, means 3z is equal to 0 again. Now, we are getting 2 equations and we require 3 variables. It means compulsory 1 variable we have to assume. Look at that. Next page I'll go. X plus y plus z is equal to 1 and y plus 3z is equal to 0. So 1 variable we have to assume because 2 equations, 3 variable. Z value is equal to k. It is not compulsory to take z only. Choice is yours. You can take y also as equal to k, and you can take x is also equal to k. Your choice. Now, when I am substituting
Sir,
z value here, yeah. Hello. Tell me what.
Sir, in y only we are taking lambda equal to 1. Can we take 2?
Yes. Yes. You can take the next case. That will say that will be seeing the next case.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next case we'll see lambda is equal to. Because you see, after assuming lambda value is 1, we are getting the one of the solution. How many solutions? How many types? There are 3 types of solution. One is unique solution, one is infinite solution, one is no solution. If you take lambda is equal to 1, immediately I am getting one of the solution. That is why I am proceeding. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If z value is equal to k, then what about y becomes? Y plus 3k, because z is k is equal to 0. Then what is y? It is minus 3k.
Minus 3k.
So we got the value of
Y.
z and we got the value of y. X, I'm substituting in this equation. X, Y value is minus 3k and Z value is plus k is equal to 1. So X minus 2k is equal to 1. If you bring minus
X equal to 2.
that side, this is
1
equals to 1 plus 2k or
1
2k
plus
plus 1. Both are same now.
Yes.
This is our X. Here we got value of Y and Z. Now, most of the student will have the doubt whether it is correct or not. What we do, we should, just for your satisfaction, I am doing. ये exam में नहीं करना, no need. I am assuming some value of k here. Suppose that k is equal to 1. If k is 1, can we say z is 1? Yes, it is. If k is 1, z is
Yes.
1 now. What about y becomes? Minus 3.
Minus 3.
What about x becomes? 3. Correct?
Yes.
Look at our system of equations. First equation we have x plus y plus z is equal to 1. So x plus y plus z is equal to 1. We check whether it is satisfying or not. X is 3, y is minus 3, z is plus 1 is equals to 1. Plus minus cancel, 1 is equal to 1. It means what? What we have done, this is a correct solution. And this is just for your verification. Got it, Namrata?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next. So we have to assume the next case. Next, your doubt will come in your mind that why we are not taking lambda is equal to 2. Let me take it lambda is equal to 2 now. To take lambda is equal to 2, what happened? Look at case 2 we are taking. What happened if I am taking lambda value is 2? Okay, so now you can see, let us go back to the matrix. What happened here we can see. If lambda value is 2, lambda value is 2 means, look at this one. If lambda value is 2 means 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 will get same thing. 0, 1, 3. Lambda value is 2 means 2 minus 1 is 1 only. So let me write. Augmented matrix AB becomes, this question is given in 2021 paper, JNTU paper. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3. Lambda value is 2 means you can see. Lambda value is 2 means 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is 1. Now next. 0, 0, 0. Lambda value is 2 means, can we say the entire value is 0?
Yes.
Yes. May I know who is replying this one? What's your name?
Muskan first.
Okay, no problem. Lambda value is okay. Now decide the solution. Rank of A. How much? Tell me now.
2.
2. Rank of AB is also 2. And N value is
2.
also, N value is 3.
3.
Means in this case
3.
also, किसी को doubt था ना lambda value 2 क्यों नहीं ले रहे? Rank of A and rank of AB both are 2 only, and N value is 3. So then we are not getting, we are getting infinite solution. Already infinite solution का case अपन solve कर लिए. So we need not to do it one more time. Case 3 will go.
Okay, sir.
Case 3. So don't take lambda value is 1 and don't take lambda value is 2. Take some other value. For example, we are taking 3. What happened to this matrix if I am taking lambda value is 3? Now, someone tell me, when lambda value is 3, what happened? 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3. Lambda
2.
value is 3 means, yes, 2. 0, 0, 0.
0.
Lambda
0.
value is 3. What happened? Come on. If it is 3, 3 minus 1, 2.
2.
3 minus 2, 1. What's the answer?
2.
So here we should write 2. Now look at. Now tell me what is rank of A now.
3.
Rank of
Rank
A
of A is
here. 2 here.
2, 2,
2.
What about rank of AB?
3.
3.
Yes. Rank of AB is 3. Here itself it is not satisfying. Rank of A
Yes.
should not be equal to rank of AB. So therefore the system is inconsistent when lambda value is 3. Lambda value
Yes.
3 को एक और वर्ड में कैसे लिख सकते हैं अपन? Lambda is not equal to 1, comma lambda is not equal to 2. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं ना?
Yes.
Correct ना? Lambda is equal to 3 means
Yes.
lambda is not 1, lambda is not 2. And system is inconsistent and we don't have any solution in this case. Now one more doubt arises in the student's mind that what about the unique solution? You see our third row, all the 3 elements are 0. So there is no chance of getting unique solution. We are getting only 2 types of solution. One is infinite solution. Another one is no solution.
No
And we are
solution.
not getting the possibility of getting unique solution. So the problem will end up here only. I hope everybody understand.
Yes, sir.
यूनिक सोल्यूशन का पॉसिबिलिटी आ ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं आप थर्ड रो में 3 एलिमेंट्स कंप्लीटली 0 है. यहाँ पर कुछ तो भी एलिमेंट होना चाहिए था तभी यूनिक सोल्यूशन एग्जिस्ट हो सकता है ना. रैंक ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू 3, रैंक ऑफ ए बी इज इक्वल टू 3, एन इज इक्वल टू 3 मींस then only we say that it is unique solution, but here there is no chance of getting unique solution. The problem will finish here only. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, can I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
So I repeat once again.
Excuse
These are
me,
the
sir.
questions. Yeah.
Sir, this is Hiba speaking. Atifa is waiting in the lobby to get added.
Who is waiting?
Atifa Khatun. I don't remember her roll number, but I think she's waiting in the lobby.
5. The number
Mubashir
5.
is coming with students. Okay, no problem. I'll admit it. But please, in time. You know, my class will be in time. Always. Even for online also. Okay. Already admitted. No problem. Look at the next question. Second question is using Cayley Hamilton theorem. Using Cayley-Hamilton theorem, find a to the power of 8 if a is equal to 1 to 2 minus 1. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. Look at that question. Be careful that it is not asking to verify. Understand? It is not asking to verify the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. It is asking to find out the value of a power 8. Now I am moving for the solution for this problem now. Solution. Given A is equals to, it is a square matrix, so it is 1 to 2 minus 1. What we do? We should find out the characteristic equation. Characteristic equation of A is, we know that is what? Magnitude of A minus lambda I is equal to 0, which implies that the magnitude for this one is the change in the diagonal elements only. You know already this one? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we find out the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix AD minus BC.
BC.
1 minus lambda into minus lambda minus 1 This is AD minus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 0. Now multiply each and every element. 1 should multiply with 1, that is minus 1. 1 multiply with minus lambda, that is minus lambda. Again minus into minus plus lambda here. And
Plus
minus into
lambda.
minus plus lambda square.
Plus lambda square.
Minus 4 is equal to 0. Yes. Lambda square plus lambda minus lambda cancel. Minus 4 minus 5.
Minus 5.
Minus 5 is equal to 0.
Minus 5.
Okay. And our intention is not to find the value of lambda. Be careful. Okay. Lambda value find out karna hai hi nahi apne. Okay. Now look at next page. I am moving. Yeah, Namrata, you understand every steps?
Yes, sir, I do understand.
Yes. Please reply.
Yes, sir, I do understand.
Lambda square minus 5 is equal to 0. Equation number 1, we say this one. What we'll write here? If capital A satisfies, capital A satisfies equation number 1, then Cayley-Hamilton theorem verify. What do you mean by this? Wherever lambda is there, we put a square minus, along with the constant, we should always multiply with the identity matrix is equal to 0. This condition should satisfy. So now a square, we don't want to waste our time by taking the calculator. I'll go manually also. I'll show you manually how we are getting a square. 1, 2, 2 minus 1. Okay. Look at. Our a value is 1, 2, 2 minus 1. Now look at how to find out a square. This is a into a. A means what? 1, 2, 2 minus 1 into 1, 2, 2 minus 1. Matrix multiplication, 10th class. First row, first column. 1 1s are 1 plus 2 2s are 4. 1 2s are 2 minus 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2 minus 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4 minus into minus plus 1 1s are 1. So what answer I am getting? Sorry, I can't explain this matrix multiplication. आप calculator से भी कर लो. I don't want to waste your time. 5005. This is a square. See what? Our intention is to find out a power 8 value now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are going to find out a power 8 value. See how I am getting the a power 8 value. Special pattern. A square value is, can I write 5 power 1, 5 power 1? Don't say it is 51. If a square is 5005, can I say a power 4 value is 5 square 0 0 5 square?
Yes.
Now totally a power 8 value. Can you tell me that? Take it 2
5
1
power 4.
4 2. How much it is? 5 power
4.
4 0 0
0.
5 power
5
4.
power 4.
How much 5 power 4 is?
625.
That's it. We got our answer. This question came for 8 marks. That's it.
That's it, sir.
That's it. A power 8 we have to find out. Look at the pattern. Which pattern a square is following? The same pattern a power 2, a power 4, a power 8 will follow. Because it is a 2 by 2 matrix, that's what it is easy on.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is also one of your doubts we have discussed here. Now next, one more question. The question is, I think, verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem again. But this problem, I can't solve it completely. I'll give you the hint how to solve it. Okay, I'll write the question. Verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem for one matrix is given, that is A is equal to 0 C minus B minus C 0 A B minus A 0. Before starting the solution, look at that. Which type of matrix is it? Can anybody tell me which type of matrix is this? This matrix is
3 by
called
3.
skew symmetric matrix. Look at that. Elements of diagonals are 0 and 2, 1 and 1, 2 opposite sign. 1, 3 and 3, 1 opposite sign. 2, 3 and 3, 2 are opposite sign. So this matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. Okay. So we are going to verify the Cayley-Hamilton theorem again. We shall find out A minus lambda I value. But I think I can't solve this problem completely. I'll give you the hint. You can verify your problem later on. This implies that. Can I write like this? Minus lambda C minus B minus C minus lambda plus A B minus A minus lambda magnitude is equal to 0. And now the rule of this one is plus minus plus. So then if you start with minus lambda, what you will get it? Lambda square AD minus into minus plus. So they square. Second element is starting with the minus sign, as you know. Corresponding column and row we neglect.
3 lambda.
This is C lambda minus AB. Correct? Minus B into column and row neglect. AC minus into minus plus B lambda is equal to 0. We multiply minus lambda cube minus A square lambda minus lambda C square minus into minus plus ABC minus ABC minus B square lambda is equal to 0. Plus ABC minus ABC of course cancel. And for rest, everything I want to multiply with the minus sign. We get lambda cube plus A square lambda plus B square lambda plus C square lambda. अच्छा एक चीज देखिए मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ. Every student please note, if any variable is given now, if any variable is given in your question, they'll follow some pattern here. Like this one, A square lambda, B square lambda, C square lambda pattern follow कर. आपको कुछ अलग अलग आ गया तो गलत कर रहा है. जैसा यहाँ A भी आ गया, लैम्डा आ गया और B C आ गया, वहां पर खाली लैम्डा आ गया, मतलब कहीं तो भी मिस्टेक हो. If any variable is given, definitely will follow the pattern. Okay. So Cayley-Hamilton theorem is what? Same story we have to write. This story. If capital A satisfied equation number 1, then we say that the Cayley-Hamilton theorem verified. So then replacing lambda with A cube plus A square into capital A plus B square into capital A plus C square into capital A is equal to 0. So now one more question arises. This is a variable matrix. How to find out A cube? That is your most important question. Okay. सबसे important question है. A cube is there. We have to find out using the calculator, but variable, can we tab this C and minus B in our calculator? Yes, come on. Can we tab this ABC उसमें कर सकते हैं क्या? A cube कर सकते हैं इसमें आप calculator से?
No, sir.
No, we can't do it. So in that case, how to solve this problem? I'll show you the special problem this is. So how to do it? We have to take a special case. A value is 1, B value is 1, and the C value is also 1. What happened? Our A becomes, tell me, come on. 0, 1,
A cube plus
minus
3.
1, minus 1, 0, plus 1, 1, minus 1, 0. ऐसा बन जाता ना ये अपना?
0. Yes,
Right?
sir.
Now from this, if
Yes.
you find out A square, this is possible. ये आपको कैलकुलेटर में हो जाएगा आसानी के साथ. And your answer will be minus 2 plus 1 plus 1 and 1 minus 2 plus 1, 1, 1 minus 2. This is our A square. And A cube also we can do it with the help of the calculator. Already one short video is uploaded in YouTube. You can see there how to. Just 1 minute. Student, just 1 second. Charge नहीं आना तो क्या? टेबल उठाना पड़ता है. नहीं. Okay, so A cube is A square. A cube value is, yes, A cube value with the help of calculator, if you do it, you'll get like that. 0, minus 3, plus 3, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 3, plus 3, and 0. This is your A cube matrix. देखिए ये आपका जो आंसर मैं करा A cube है. A cube here we have to substitute. Okay, then A square means A value is 1. Verification देख लो आप इसका. First element from here. First element from here 0. Here also first element is 0. Here also first element 0. So answer will be 0. Second element is minus 3 here. From this A cube, second element is minus 3. Okay. And here, from this matrix A, if you take second element is 1. Here also 1. Here also 1. This is minus 3, that is plus 3. Plus 3, minus 3 cancel. And each and every element will be cancelled. We can say that Cayley Hamilton. Students, be careful. And for ISL students, this question we are doing first time, I think so, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is all about your doubts. What doubts are there, but we have to see our given time also. This meeting will be ended now. If you have any
Can
doubt,
you
okay.
send the audio of how to solve the other sum, sir? We'll do it by our own.
Okay.
Sir, could you shift the page? Turn.
I'll send this in PDF. I'll send it to you, this PDF. And
Okay, sir.